Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, March 13th, midweek. Looking at the calendar here, we don't have that many items of interest. You can see there's no news until 10:30 with crude oil inventories, which really doesn't affect the market at all, but it does affect the crude oil futures if you're a crude oil trader. 1 o'clock, we have the 30-year bond option auction, and it is a red item, but honestly, it just doesn't really react too much to the S&P and Nasdaq. It's primarily more interested in the U.S. dollar movement there, and that is it. So really a light news day today. So let's move on and look at the daily chart. Daily chart is there's just no other way to look at this. It is stair stepping up, and it just continues that stair stepping pattern. We are gapping up very, very slightly. All-time highs are easily within range. 5,300 is certainly on the docket. I mean, crazy as it may seem, market just is just not, it defies gravity. I don't even know what to say other than you have to trade what you see, and that's it. So 5,300 is in the ballpark. I would say that this low from yesterday, 51.76, is going to be the bottom side of interest. So there you go. Looking at the 60-minute, looking for inventory here. We had an update yesterday. Inventory was really nearly flat. It was positive, but only by about 1,200 contracts. So there's definitely a disconnect. We're starting to see some disconnects. Market looks toppy. However, I've said that for 3 weeks now. But it's certainly looking toppy when you have a big price movement and very little inventory expansion. That tells me that there's a lot of people that are selling into this price action. And we've seen this day after day many times, and yet we continue to go up. So I do believe we are going to turn over and go down at some point. But wow, this market just crazy, crazy strong. All right. Well, what about the intraday here? Where are support and resistance levels? Well, obviously above here, we've got a lot of all-time highs. So there's not a lot of technical analysis going on up above here. We've got a lot of guesstimating up above here. So where do we got? 5260, 5265, 5280, 5,300. Those are our guesstimates because we've gotten virtually no volume up here. On the downside, where is support support? Overnight low, 5235. That'll be some support. 5229, 5218. And you have to kind of go down a little ways to find some good confluence. 5192, 5176. Stock Trader's Almanac for today is 61.9, 61.9. So we have a 11.9% bias to the upside above 50% for today. I don't know what else to tell you guys other than trade what you see, keep your stops tight, be careful because we are in uncharted territory. See you guys tomorrow. Remember to subscribe, comment, and like. Hey, thanks for watching the Morning Brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com. Thanks.